Today I'll guide you through the process of using the public investing app, focusing on the settings and how to buy and sell stocks. If you haven't already signed up, there's a link in the show notes below which provides a sign-up bonus and supports the channel, allowing us to create more free content. We'll start on the public homepage, and I'm using an iOS device, so there might be slight differences if you're on Android. The homepage displays the value of the stocks in your holdings, and you can toggle between different time frames like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, year to date, and all. By sliding down a bit, you can view your returns separately from the overall value. Underneath this chart, you'll see your buying power, equities, options, and any bonds you have. Buying power indicates the money available for investing in other stocks or securities. There's also a notification bar for updates, which can include new information on the stocks you hold. Swiping to the left shows all updates, and you can restart or dismiss them as needed. At the top of the app, there's a search bar for finding stocks, a rewards section for inviting friends to earn additional stocks, an AI service called Ask Alpha for app assistance, and a hamburger icon leading to settings. In the settings, you can add a bank account to transfer money into the app. At the bottom of the app, you have options like portfolio, market trade, feed, and premium services. Sliding down further, you'll find sections on yield, treasuries, investing plans, and assets, including stocks, crypto, bonds, and alternative assets. Although options trading is available, we'll focus on basic stock trading in this tutorial. You can view detailed stock information and buy or sell directly from the equities section. To fully leverage the app's capabilities, it's crucial to understand market trends and indicators. By interpreting key financial metrics and charts available within the app, you can make well-informed decisions. Pay attention to the importance of diversifying your portfolio and staying updated with market news, which empowers you to be proactive rather than reactive in your investment strategy. Setting up notifications for specific stock performance thresholds and learning how to interpret these alerts can also help you manage your investments more effectively. In the Settings tab, accessible via the hamburger icon, you'll see your profile, account number, portfolio value, buying power, and brokerage cash. This section also shows pending transactions and allows you to withdraw or deposit funds. You can transfer stocks from other brokerages, manage notifications, enable Face ID, display your portfolio publicly, toggle dark mode, and access tax documents. Public, though free to use, has a fee schedule for options trading and other advanced trading features. You can review privacy policies, close or log out of your account from the settings. Tax implications and efficient tax strategies are important considerations when investing. Familiarize yourself with basic tax concepts such as capital gains tax and dividend tax, and explore how to utilize tax-advantaged accounts if available. Keeping accurate records for tax reporting and understanding the tax documents provided by the app can help you manage your investments more effectively from a tax perspective. To deposit funds, click the Deposit section, select the funding method, and you can add a new bank account or debit card. It uses services like Plaid to connect your bank instantly. This thorough walkthrough should help you navigate the public investing app effectively. One of the standout features of the public app is its community aspect. You can follow other investors, join discussions, and share insights, leveraging the collective intelligence of the community. Identify knowledgeable and credible investors to follow, and engage in discussions to maximize your learning and networking opportunities. This collaborative environment can significantly enhance your investment knowledge and strategy. This is where people begin asking questions or sharing their thoughts about the stock. It's up to you whether you want to participate by posting or remain silent when buying stocks. I will walk you through the process of sharing your stock purchases or sales with the community. The community section you saw earlier is specific to this stock, but there's a broader feed section for engaging with everyone, which I'll explain shortly. To buy stock, navigate to the trade section, where you'll see options like buying, recurring buys, or trading options. Since we don't own the stock yet, we'll select a one-time purchase, but you can also set up recurring buys if preferred. This allows us to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest based on a dollar amount rather than purchasing full shares. This is useful for buying expensive stocks without needing to save large sums of money. In our example, SoFi is affordable enough that $25 can buy more than one share. Next, we need to go over the most critical options. By default, we're set to a market buy, but we can toggle to other buying methods. You can buy fractional shares by dollar amount or full shares if you prefer exact quantities. There are also conditional orders like extended hours buying requiring a premium version, or limit orders to set maximum purchase prices, ensuring you only buy at your desired price. For simplicity, we'll stick with buying in dollars. This brings us back to the main page where we confirm the ticker symbol, input the dollar amount to invest, and see our buying power. For this example, we'll invest $30, leaving us with a small remainder. After inputting the amount, click on Review Order. The page will show the stock's current value, estimated shares, and total order cost. We proceed by placing the order, which will be executed during the next market open. After the purchase, you can create a post to share your trade details with the community if desired. If you upgrade to the premium version, you'll gain access to a community activity feed. To sell stock, return to the Portfolio tab and select the stock you wish to sell. In our example, we'll sell some Tesla stock. Click on the trade button, then sell. Like buying, you have options for selling in extended hours or using limit orders. We'll sell $5 worth of stock, review the order details, and place the order. This will be processed at the next market open. Diversifying your portfolio is another key strategy for successful investing. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and regions, you can reduce risk and improve long-term returns. Even if you're working with a small investment, fractional shares allow you to invest in a variety of stocks, contributing to a well-rounded portfolio. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risk, and it's important to manage that risk effectively. Set clear investment goals, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed about market trends and economic developments. You can also create a post explaining why you sold the stock. For a broader view, navigate to the feed section, where you can see trending topics, news, and follow others' investments. Engage with other investors by commenting, liking posts, or sharing your insights. You can follow individual investors to see their trades and investment strategies, provided they have their settings set to public. The Markets section provides an overview of the market's performance and detailed information on stocks you're interested in. There are settings available. You can actually even message the person, which is really interesting. You could see their following and how many people they are following as well now when it comes to learning more about the actual stocks that you're interested in or just seeing how the market's doing. As a whole, you can tap over here on Markets, which is that globe icon, and you can see upcoming earnings, which I absolutely love. I love seeing when companies are announcing their earnings, and then you can also compare different funds, so that way you can kind of get better idea of how everything is. Going, you can see equities right over here, and then you can again have the charts for yourself, and then if you keep scrolling down here, you're going to see different sections. Like top mover, you're going to see things like earnings that are coming up. You can also see top bond yields right over here as well too. So there's a lot of great information here. It can seem a little overwhelming, especially if you're just getting started with investing, but one thing I always recommend is that if you kind of keep divulging into this information over time, more of it's going to keep on making sense for you as well. So if you're somebody a little bit newer to investing, still recommend coming in here, even if it seems a little overwhelming at times with the data. In conclusion, Public provides a comprehensive set of tools and resources to help you navigate the complexities of the stock market. Whether you're a novice investor or an experienced trader, our platform is designed to support your investment journey. By leveraging the insights of our community, understanding different types of orders, diversifying your portfolio, and managing risk effectively, you can enhance your trading strategies and work towards achieving your financial goals. Embark on your journey to financial success.